Hello, welcome back to the channel. So, got a couple of bits of cracking news, but also, I'm afraid to say, what might be a little bit of bad news, but I'm going to try and overcome that. So, we'll start off with the good news first. I have a new job. After being out of work for about a month, I found a job back in the motor trade, where I kind of belong, I think. Fixing, repairing and tinkering with vehicles and making them look shiny again. Which also means a 10-mile ride to work, or drive, depending on the weather. Which is also cracking, so it means I can get the old Buell out. But I won't be using the Buell every day for that kind of thing. I want to try and get another little sort of commuter motorcycle, like a 250 or something, just to buzz to and from there for. Something a bit light I can throw for the traffic. So I'll be travelling from my house in Margate to Sandwich every day, 6 days a week. That's one piece of the good news, which I'm quite chuffed with. And we've got some big videos coming up on the Buell, or for the Buell, because along with that piece of good news of me finding a job, I'm now an athlete, not as in running. I don't know how you pronounce it, I'll put it on the screen here somewhere, of F&F Carbon. Happy days. So it basically means every time someone clicks on the link in the description below and buys something, I'll earn a tiny amount of commission. Not a lot. So I just had to get past that traffic then. Yeah, it won't be a lot. And there'll be a discount code coming up very soon. So if you fancy waiting for that as well, you're more than welcome to. So happy days, but as said, there's some big things coming for the Buell. Doing the build that I wanted to do to it, bar a couple of bits and bobs because finances. Right, do I go through here? Yeah, sod it. Let's go this way. Probably a bad idea going this way. So yeah, take it easy around here, Adrian. It's a bit bumpy. So yeah, good news is I found a new job. It is minimum pay, unfortunately. It is up to 45 hours a week compared to my old job of 34 hours a week. And it is over six days a week and not 3 days. So getting these videos made, this is where we're going to come on to the bad bit, the bad news. I'm not dropping the channel. I'm just going to try and work around to get a video edit done every Fridays still. If I have to do some video editing during my lunch break, oh, speed bump there. If I have to get some video editing done during my oh, red light, that's right, give me some time to chat. So, oh god. bastard lights, we're expecting that. So, I forgot what I was saying then. So yes, anyway. So 45 hours a week, trying to edit a video. As I said, I'm not going to drop the channel. It's just going to be a bit harder. Especially as I'm trying to run two channels as well as family life, as well as Lydia working as well, doing her paramedic-y stuff, helping people with their boo-boos. Yeah, so I'll try and get these videos edited. The quality might not be quite the same. Some might be a bit shorter, some might be even a bit random. Ones like this one, I suppose. But I still want to grow the channel. I still want to keep things going. Because I enjoy making the videos. Let's wait for these trucks to get past so I can concentrate. Bit of oil on the road there by the looks of it. Take it easy, Adrian. So yeah, I enjoy making these videos. I enjoy riding my motorcycle. So if I can combine the two, I will. It's not really worth getting no footage related at work. One, I don't know if I'll be allowed to. Two, it's not bike related. I'm trying to keep this channel bike and car related. But I want to focus on the bikes for now. Then maybe once they take off a bit more, I might get some car stuff put in. So that's about it, really. New job, athlete or athlete. I don't know how you bloody pronounce it. Someone say in the comments section below, because I can't bloody pronounce it. It's doing my head in now. I'm not a clever person. Far from it. We're approaching the stinky bit now, Sandwich. The Sandwich bypass. This bit stinks. Got to bleep that bit out. Doesn't smell too bad today, which is unusual. But yeah, the place I'm working at anyway, let's get on to that. Quite a cool little place, family owned company. Bunch of guys I work with are down to earth, can have a laugh and a joke. Coffee whenever we want. And we get to fix cars, make cars look pretty again. Oh, there's a bloody tractor in front. I'll tell you what, I'll tell you a bit more about it as we get into the town. It's a bad idea coming this way, wasn't it? So, looks like I'm going to try and tell you behind this bloody tractor. This tractor's going all over into Sandwich. So I'm now working at a company. We buy and sell cars. Basically. I make them look pretty, do some minor repairs. Working on doing some panel damage as well, like the minor sort of paintless dent removal. Yeah, that's probably about it really. Nice little company. They've been here since 1976. I won't say the company name in case I'm not allowed to. Been in trouble for that before, my old job. Won't go there though. So good news. Found a job. Good news too. Affiliate of F&F Carbon. Link below if you fancy some carbon bits. Your bike will thank you later. Bad news is trying to get these videos out. It's going to be bloody hard work. But I suppose another bit of good news is there's some massive video coming up of the Buell once my parts arrive. But that might take a couple of months yet, so please forgive me on that. Oh god, because they've got to be made yet. And wrong lane, dickhead. Yeah. It's big things to come. Just not a lot of time to do them in. So if you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe it if you're not already. It doesn't cost a thing, it helps the channel grow. And I'll see you all again next week, hopefully. Because it's now June. It's my birthday in 3 weeks. The big 5-0. That's going to be a fun one, yeah. Like, share and subscribe. You know what to do. Tickle that little subscribe button. Give the old like a fingering. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Goodbye.